So we're in Clovis, California in the hall bath. You can see double sink over here, toilet and tub shower combo. We did set another toilet in the master bath a few days ago, and now we got the same toilet coming here. The toilet straight out of Home Depot. It's Highland Classic round front. I believe it's a comfort height as well. Got it caulked in, a couple of shims around the perimeter. It was just a little wobbly, so shimmed it. It's nice and solid. Brand new supply lines, Fluid Master 3/8 by 7/8 by 20, braided stainless steel. Existing valve is not ours, multi-turn. And at this point, we do not see any water leaking out of the packing nut, so that's good. We did adjust it so that it's filling correctly, shutting off correctly, and flushing correctly. Everything was good in here. The old toilet, they tossed it in the tub. It was full of water, so we had to try and disassemble it in there and get it out to the truck, full of water and whatnot. So, but you know, who else is going to take it out? You know, tile guy's probably not coming back. So, anyways, we'll haul that out to the dump yard or wherever we're going to go. Get rid of that for you. But so now you got two brand new toilets in the home. Everything's working good. Outside of that, this installation is done.